Hello everyone. Even though I have not been on YouTube much this year, I wanted to take this opportunity for those of you who celebrate to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a very happy and blessed New Year. For those of you who do not celebrate, I hope you have a wonderful winter break. My plans were to make DIYs for the winter Christmas season, and due to health issues, I was not able to make that happen. I did want to, however, share some things that I have made this season. They were not extraordinary DIYs, but they were simple and fun, and I thought I would share them just the same. I decided to do the 12 days of Christmas. The 12 days of Christmas begin on Christmas Day, December 25th, and end on January 5th. This period is also known as 12's-tide or Christmastide. Some traditions start the 12 days of Christmas on December 26th, the day after Christmas, and end on January 6th. The 12 days of Christmas are a time for both religious and secular celebrations. The period has been celebrated in Europe since before the Middle Ages. On January 5th, also known as Twelfth Night, Christmas decorations and trees are traditionally taken down. The 12 days of Christmas is the time between the birth of Jesus on December 25th and the arrival of the three wise men on January 6th, also known as the Epiphany or Three Kings Day. In the new year, my hope is to be more active on my channel and create more. I give so much credit to the creators that are regular on their channels and create tons of content. And unless you are doing that yourself, no one can understand the work that goes into making some of these videos. Many have a team to help, and so many creators that I watch do it alone, all while working outside the home and raising a family. I applaud you all, and I hope to do half as good. Thank you to those of you who have patiently stuck around and sent me messages of concern and kindness. I cherish you all more than you will ever know. God bless you all. Again, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and all the best for the new year to come.